I'm going to clip this into place first, put it the right way around. Okay, that's clicked in. I'm going to put these clips into the side. Now there's one specifically for the left and for the right, and it goes in the corner like that. And then you've got a little screwdriver they supply because these screw heads are not quite standard. Okay, so that's in. There's a little plastic tab on that you just need to snap off. So next we're going to attach the side rails. Now you can kind of see, hopefully, that these have little grooves in for a cog to kind of run up and down. So that's how it moves the blind into position. So we'll get these onto the correct sides and then see what to do next. Okay, so we've got the left-hand piece here, and you slide it into place, but there's a bit you slide it in between there in the motorised section, sort of like a gap for it to go down. That's got it. And then you push this piece, this bit, just behind the clip that you fit it, and then that clicks into place. There we go. Now what we need to do is put some screws in the 3 holes that you've got there, and then that side's done, and then repeat on the other side. So that's done. There are only 2 screw holes, so that's a bit different from the diagram, but we're all good. Okay, so the rails are in place. You can kind of see them sit in next to where the motorised unit is. So when we take these clips off, you can see those cogs will go into place, and then they'll pull the blind down with them. So you just need to pull these from the top and then twist them this way. Oh. And then you can see that that's gone into the track now. Now we've got the reset button over here. Okay, so we've got some batteries in the remote now, so let's see if it works. Awesome. So fitting was really straightforward. The instructions were clear and it's worked first time, so I'm dead impressed with that. Obviously the fact that you don't need to wire it into the mains is great, and it'll recharge off that solar panel, and you can kind of see there's the motorised unit down at the bottom there now. So yeah, that's great. So far so good. I'll let you know in the comments if I have any problems over the years. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.